Hello friends, this is Wasim and today we will learn how to set up code space in GitHub for Rust development. So in order to set up a code space, we must have a GitHub account. If you don't have, you can create it. It takes like 2 to 3 minutes of time. So once you have your GitHub account, you can come here and you can click on repository and you can click new. And here you have to give the repository name. So I'll give Rust basics and I'll make it public, and also I will add readme file, and the final step is to click here create repository. I'll do that and I'll wait for a few seconds. Now uh, to create a code space, we have to click on this plus button and we have to click here on new code space. Now we have to select the repo, and the reason will be the nearest to you. So I am from India, so I have chosen Southeast Asia. The machine type, I'll go with the 4 core. So this will create a virtual machine, and inside that virtual machine, it will install Visual Studio. I'll click on create code space and I will wait for few seconds. Okay, so theme is light. So I love working on dark theme, so I'll make it dark theme by going to this setting and I'll choose the theme as a dark theme. Okay, so I'm choosing dark Visual Studio. Okay, now it looks good to me. And I'll also do zoom in by doing Control plus. So the fonts will become bigger. Now, uh, in the terminal, I'll clear this mm, from messages and I'll run cargo. So if you see cargo is not installed, so cargo is a build system and package manager for Rust. In order to install this cargo, we have to download and install this. So in order install cargo and Rust compiler. So in order to do that, we have to run this command. So it downloads, it runs a script, and this scripts internally download and install all the dependency of cargo. So I'll come here and I'll paste this. So we have to allow for the first time if in order to paste any command from outside to this virtual machine. So I'll allow and I'll press enter. Here I'll press 1 and enter. So it is downloading and installing all the necessary packages. Now, in order to set up the environment variable, I have to run this command. So this will help us to run cargo from everywhere inside this shell. So I'll click this, enter this, and I'll clear the screen and I'll type cargo hyphen hyphen person. So if you see now cargo is installed. In order to create a new project in cargo, we have to do cargo new followed by a name. So I will name it hello Rust and press enter. So if you see here, like our hello Rust project is created, and if we go inside source, we will find main.rs, and by default a hello world program is written there. So I'll run, in order to compile and run this hello world program, we have to do cargo run and enter. Okay, we have to go inside this repo. So I'll go inside hello rust, and then we have to do cargo run. So if you see it compiled, and it has compiled the hello rust, and then it ran that, and we are getting output hello world. So I'm done for today. See you in the next video.